If you've ever wanted to create stunning, professional-looking videos with layered visuals, learning how to remove a green screen in CapCut 2025 is an essential skill. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to take your green screen footage and blend it seamlessly with your background scene, all using CapCut's desktop version on PC or Mac. Let's dive in. All right, let's start by importing your media. Open up CapCut and bring in both your background footage and your green screen clip. This is your project media. If you're new to this, your background footage could be anything: a cityscape, a dramatic sunset, even a simple photo you want behind your subject. And your green screen clip is, of course, the video with that classic bright green backdrop behind your subject. Next, you'll want to organize these clips on your timeline, which acts a bit like stacking transparent sheets on top of each other. Drag your background video onto track 1. That's the base layer everyone will see first. Then grab your green screen video and place it directly above on track 2. Think of the tracks as layers in a sandwich. The green screen video sits on top so we can cut out the green and reveal what's underneath. Now, click on the green screen clip in your timeline to select it. You'll immediately notice a panel in the top right corner. This is your main control center for editing the selected clip. Head into the Video tab, and from there, select the Cutout sub-tab, which is especially designed for tasks like removing backgrounds and green screens. Here's where the magic starts. Find the Chroma key option and check its box. Chroma keying is just a fancy term for removing a particular color. Once you've enabled it, you'll see a color picker tool. It looks like a little eyedropper. Click it, and then use your mouse to select the exact shade of green in your video preview window. You want to target the brightest and most prevalent green to get the cleanest result, so click somewhere on your subject's green background. After you've selected your green color, use the strength slider to start removing that green completely. Slide it up gently and watch as the green begins to disappear, revealing your background layer beneath. Sometimes, depending on your original lighting or video quality, you'll notice a faint green halo or leftover edges around your subject. Don't worry, that's where the shadows and clean edges sliders come into play. Adjust them as needed to tidy up the outline and make sure your subject pops without any unwelcome residue. Take your time here. Small adjustments can make a big difference. If it's your first time, just experiment until it looks good. CapCut's preview updates instantly, so you'll get immediate feedback as you tweak. Once you're happy with the chroma key effect, play back your video to double-check how your subject looks against the new background. Pause, zoom in if needed, and inspect for any leftover green bits. It's worth getting this perfect. If everything looks crisp and seamless, you're ready for the final step. Finally, click the Export button in the top right corner to save your finished video. You can choose your desired file format and quality here, and CapCut will handle the rest. That's it. You've successfully learned how to remove a green screen in CapCut 2025. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop any questions or tips you have in the comments, and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Happy editing, and I'll see you in the next video.